Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the content is not available problem on your Spotify. So guys, if you are trying to reach any content on Spotify but this problem appears here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to App Store or Play Store and search for Spotify. And from here you have to simply update your Spotify to the latest version. So I simply do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to VPN and device management. And from here you have to simply make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you still face this problem, then go for the next solution. Then you have to simply go to language and region and change your country or region from here. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Spotify team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.